Roofing products unboxings, episode 3, and today is a bit of a challenge. We're looking at a Velux roof window and we're going to see what happens when we open that window, as you might have to do when they're delivered on site. So the first thing I understand we need to do is we need to lay it down carefully. Obviously they're well protected. There's 2 little tabs that you need to push in, and these basically rip away. Presto. Obviously then you unbox the other side, which again, because it's a bit serrated, gives you a bit of a helping hand. Presto, there's the window. So what have we got? Obviously, as you can see, it's well protected. These things are transported all over the country, so obviously it needs plenty of protection, edge, top and bottom. Obviously, you've got some installation instructions. You obviously need a flashing kit to go with that, which you need to buy separate. And obviously, before you put that window in, you need to remove the sash. And obviously we've got some installation videos on our YouTube channel, and we'll put a link at the bottom of this video that allows you to go there and see exactly what you need to do. But as you can see, these already come with cover flashings. Down the bottom we've got a fixing kit, which is the fixing brackets. Once again, nicely protected. As you can see, it's a white painted window. And that's actually some information on roller blinds and accessories that comes in here for the customer. What we got? This looks like a top flashing. So this is the top cover flashing that will go on there once you fitted your flashing with all the screws and fixings. So that's about it really. That was quite straightforward. I've never done it in 35 years, so it was a bit of a success there. So you can see it's quite easy to unbox. Once again, we've got YouTube videos at our YouTube channel that will give you a bit more of an insight, and it will show you how to install these windows. So don't forget, Velux roof windows, JJ Roofing Supplies. If it's on the roof, we stock it.